Good afternoon, Ms. Alfie, parents and teachers. Today I'm going to present overall my experience and what did I do in Melbourne and Sydney, Australia. And this is my first time traveling alone to another country. This is a really nice sunrise view from our plane when on the way to Melbourne. This is the first day in Melbourne when we just landed, and we directly go to some places like Parliament House, St. Patrick's Cathedral, and Granite Beach. And also we do one workshop making video game stories in napkin. Through this program, I can socialize more because I have new friends. This is the second day. We go to Queen Victoria Market. Basically, it's like a really old market in Australia. And then workshop again in music competition, Art Centers Melbourne. And also our MIT campus store. I got some new friends. We gossip and laugh together during lunch and dinner. This is some of our photos with lunch and dinner. Experiencing new things that are unforgettable that I've never done before. For example, drone coding. So basically we fly a drone. And also we did Art Graffiti and that's my artwork. And also we visited Royal Exhibition building.
You won, right? The best one.
This is the 5th day. We fly from Melbourne to Sydney. Thanks. This is the activities that we did after we just landed in Sydney. So we do business workshop in Taronga Zoo. And there's a really lot of animals that we can't see in Indonesia. And also we visited a really famous mall in Sydney. This is day 6. We did UTS campus tour and workshop there. And then we also visited Sydney Opera House. It was really amazing and it was really fun. I think this is the best day I had in Sydney. This is pretty fireworks in Sydney Opera House. It was such a fun experience, but our trip has ended. And this is our last day in Australia. We visited, we did some activities in sand dunes and also marine biology. We touched stingrays and sharks. It was so fun. This is more photos of us. Okay. Thank you. I wish I could turn back time to where it all started. Thank you for listening to my presentation.